huge appreciation to Shiko and the Qhala team, but they have really been transformative in bringing together stakeholders like you all around conversations like this one to look at what's working and what do we need to do together to really unlock the true potential and value of AI, including AI for DPI, for global health and development.
So we were really asking ourselves, does open source data really support and incentivize sovereignty? And one big question we really asked ourselves is, does it really make people, and especially private sector, to really be disincentivized? So then what does sovereignty do? Is it a double-edged sword, or is it really good for the people? So those are big questions really to ask ourselves.
We hear a lot of conversations around data sovereignty, but what does it actually mean? And we came down to a definition where data is a new natural resource. And having sovereignty over your data means having agency, having consent around sharing and such, and really having control over your data.
One of the outcomes we're supposed to look at was having a roadmap for integrating social dialogue into AI scaling outcomes. And we said start with user needs, like we said, digital translation. Understand the local realities of those you're trying to support, and then use that to inform the design and delivery of AI scaling initiatives.
So basically the big takeaway is that we think a bottom-up approach is what's smart here. We were noting that digital public infrastructure is showing the power of public goods that can be shared and mutually co-developed and improved upon. And that there are tools like GovStack, like the Digital Public Goods Alliance, that are already enabling this kind of technology exchange.
Now, there's a lot of wealth and capability in data. So it's a matter of really using this data in exchange for compute power, availing this data for potentially exchanging it for compute power.
So we were looking at AI for developmental sovereignty. And one of the things that we discussed was that it's not just about using AI, but about deploying it deliberately in ways that would extend state capabilities, build on citizen empowerment, and also developmental sovereignty, right? So building on your own terms.
I appreciate everyone coming, but I also wanted to thank the convener, the visionary behind the work. So we're giving you your flowers now, and thanking you for job well done.
So thank you everyone for coming, and it's time to eat and network, make friends, and see you in Johannesburg on the 21st of November.